Akiaria ari nyumba-ini ya micemanio ya ufungamano guku mucii wa Nairobi, mucirithania munene wa tene David Maraga ni orotete thiri uria ugomeire bururi uyu, akiuga ni kurikio rarikia bururi irima-ini ria nduma ihinda twerekeire.
Banks, instead of lending to the ordinary people, they find it more profitable, and they are not going to chase somebody, a kiosk owner, to recover the money they have lent to him.
Maraga akiuga Akenya mangikamuhe kamweke ga gutereba bururi uyu ni akanyihia ngombo iria ikoretwo igikombwo guku bururi-ini niguo kuiganania budget iria ikomeire ya Kenya.
Parliament is not serving the people, he's serving one person. You wait. See, the finance bill is there. Many people have protested against it. You wait, you are going to see it being passed.
Maraga oho agiukirira tabarira nyingi cia thirikari iria ugite muoroto wacio ni kuiya mbeca cia Akenya kuona inyitithanitio na aruna a hakuhi a President Ruto.
Affordable housing, PPPs, as well as G2G importation of fuel, and embarked on mega projects, all geared to stealing from the Kenyan public.
Gikundi kia atongoria athure kuma mwaho wa Linda Mwananchi makiuga magakorwo makinyita mbaru utongoria wa Maraga ta president mwaka-ini wa 2027 kuria nake mutongoria wa kiama gia PLP Martha Karua augite kunyitanira niguo gukarehe uhotani.
I looked at our political class and I could only identify one man who can champion that cause, and that's why I looked for you. I proposed your name to vie for the President of the Republic of Kenya.
Do we have to worry about goons when we are leaving our houses? Has this become Haiti or worse? We need conversations. We are not helpless. There's something we will do to rescue ourselves, but we will have to be together.
Ihinda-ini riu atongoria aya makiregana na mubango wa thirikari wa kuriha aria mahutirio ni ngahiha cia kuma mwaka wa 2017 makiuga mubango uyu uratabanio na ihenya niguo kuhithania maundu.
It is not about the value of life. So what they are doing there, we completely disagree with it. It is the wrong way, and they will rush to do it because the 2 billion is in the supplementary budget. They have not published the list. Nobody knows who is there. There's no transparency.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Ikua Wambuchi.